Hello and welcome back to Moto Stylish channel. The Moto Guzzi Open House 2023 in Mandello witnessed the grand unveiling of the Moto Guzzi V7 Stone Corsa, a modern reinterpretation of the classic V7, blending vintage aesthetics with a sporty edge. In this videos, we delve into the captivating features of this retro-inspired cafe racer. Classic Italian design. The design of the new Moto Guzzi V7 Stone Corsa strikes a unique balance between vintage charm and sportiness. With its single-seater saddle and softly lined fairing that exudes a vintage vibe, this bike embodies the authentic Italian design Moto Guzzi is known for. Its robust, vintage body shape and the classic black and silver color scheme pay homage to the brand's heritage. Elegant lines and sporty saddle. The V7 Stone Corsa is characterized by its clean lines that flow seamlessly from the upper fairing to the sporty saddle. If you're a fan of longitudinally mounted V2 engines with a racer's touch, this bike demands your attention. Aesthetic departure. The V7 Stone Corsa stands apart from its sibling, the V7 Stone, primarily due to its striking two-tone silver and red paint scheme. This captivating color combination stretches gracefully from the headlight cowl to the tail. The red accent, starting just below the iconic Moto Guzzi emblem on the tank and continuing through the side panels, is particularly eye-catching. Attention to detail. For enthusiasts who appreciate the finer details, the V7 Stone Corsa doesn't disappoint. It boasts sleek bar-end mirrors on the handlebars, and a special plaque adorns the top clamp, signifying its unique edition status. The absence of fork gaiters provides the bike with a sportier and more refined appearance. Additionally, the bike's filler cap has been upgraded to a billet item with a striking anodized black finish. Nostalgic racer vibe. The rear end of this machine has its own surprises. The passenger seat can be cloaked with a removable cowl, adding a nostalgic racer vibe. For those who value design continuity, the new headlight cowl and fly screen harmonize perfectly with the bike's two-tone theme. While not the most practical addition, it undoubtedly makes a bold visual statement. Simplicity and elegance. In terms of color options, the V7 Stone Corsa keeps it simple and elegant with a single metallic gray and bright red scheme. Power underneath. Underneath its beautiful facade, the V7 Stone Corsa retains the reliable 744 cubic centimeters V-twin engine from the stock V7 Stone. Riders can expect a smooth 51 horsepower and 55 Newton-meters of torque, promising a ride that's as comfortable as it is captivating. A tribute to racing. The two-tone paintwork of the V7 Stone Corsa pays homage to the golden age of motorcycle racing. A metallic gray color scheme is elevated by a red stripe that runs vertically across the upper fairing, continuing down the tank and side panels. The optional passenger seat cowl perfectly complements the overall look, giving it the appearance of a true single-seater racer. Stylish details of the Moto Guzzi V7 Stone Corsa. The V7 Stone Corsa comes equipped with bar-end mirrors that enhance its sleek and dynamic profile. The anodized black aluminum tank cap seamlessly blends into the overall design. The front fork forsakes fork gaiters, emphasizing the minimalist look of this Corsa version. Continuing the V7 legacy with a retro-sporty twist. The Moto Guzzi V7 Stone Corsa carries forward the tradition of the V7 series while injecting a refreshing dose of retro sportiness into the world of motorcycles. Starting from October 2023, the Moto Guzzi V7 Stone Corsa will be available in Germany at a price of €10,199. Well, that's a wrap for our review. Thanks for joining us today on Moto Stylish. And we'll see you next time for more exciting reviews and updates on the latest vehicles and trends in the world of motorcycles.